Do you need more time in your business without decreasing your profits? In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 3 ways that you can immediately implement in your business to free up your time and in most cases, increase your profits. My name is Erica Leary. Small business owners and entrepreneurs hire me to find hidden profits in their business using my simple 5-step power profit formula so they don't have to spend more on advertising. In every single episode, I'm going to give you an actionable tactic or 2 that you can immediately implement that will attract more clients and give you an advantage over your competition. If you stay until the end of the video, drop me a message below and I will send you a copy of my book, 45 and 45, so you can get even more ideas to increase your profits. All right, so whether you need more time to scale your business or hang out with family, getting extra time is always what my clients are after in their businesses. So let's take the next couple of minutes. I just want to show you 3 of the ways that I have used with my clients to help them get more time in their business while making sure that those profits do not dip and sometimes increase. So the first one is partner with someone. So this is a complicated one. The first thing that comes to mind, I'm sure, for you is, no way. I do not want to partner in my business. I've worked so long to have this business and I've created it and blah, blah, blah. Okay, settle down. So when I mean partner with somebody, it can be on a project or on a product. It does not have to be on your entire business, right? You don't have to bring somebody in to, have half your business. That's not what I'm talking about. So what I really mean is just partner with them on something. So for example, if you have a product, let's say you make soaps and you want to get that soap out to more places, you can partner with a store that maybe has a lot of products that would be complementary, but they don't create their own soap. So you can partner with them and sell your product through their store. Or maybe they are interested in your soap, but they want it under their own brand. So you can white label your soaps under their brand. This is all up to you. It depends. It's in the negotiation between you and that person. However you want to do it is okay, as long as you are negotiating that with them and it is a win for you, a win for them, so that they are interested in doing it. Example, I am a business consultant. Sometimes I partner with accountants who would like to, so I offer a service where I can go into a company and look through, it's part of my 5-step power profit formula, but I can look through all aspects of their company, kind of give them a roadmap of what they should be doing and how they should be doing it. Accounting firms can offer that as a service, a free service to their clients. And then I go in and give their clients this roadmap. Some of their clients hire me. That's a win for me. Some of them don't, no big deal. How is that a win for the accountants? They are giving their clients this free service where they actually leave with like a book. I mean, it's a roadmap that their clients leave with. So they're getting benefits. Their clients are benefiting, which is benefiting them, right? They look good, it looks good for them, and then I can benefit if I get some clients out of the deal. So that's how we can all work together. Sometimes I can work with accountants because when I am doing my consulting with my clients, one of the things that I typically do is ask them to do more appointments with their accountants. It's not to get the accountant more money, it's to get them in the game, in their head, in the numbers. This is very important in a business, but it does, help the accountant also. So that's kind of a way that I could partner. Just think of some ways that you could partner in your business with somebody that is a win-win for both sides. It does not mean they are coming on. You don't have to hire them, none of the above. And those partnerships can be dissolved as well. So it's not like you have to close down your company. That is number 1. The second one is outsource. If you do not want to hire full-time employees, but you need more help in your business, think about hiring someone, a sales team, for example. If you do not want to hire an entire sales force within your company, you can hire help. You can hire people who can call and make an appointment, appointment setters. You could hire closers. These are outsourcing people that you don't necessarily need to have on your payroll. That is a way that you can increase your profits, spend less time. If you're the one doing all of the calling, all of the appointments, if you're the one doing all of that, you can have somebody help you do that. It doesn't have to be just that, though. It could be administrative work, right? If you need more time in your business, hire somebody to do administrative work. Now, is that an expense? Yes, it is. But let's think about, if you have more time in your business, how are you going to spend that business? Maybe all you're going to do is spend a little bit more time with your family, which gives you, so that when you're in your business, you're super focused, right? That's important. That is so important, to make sure that you are the one that is focused and present and sound when you are actually working. The other thing is strategy. If you can spend more time on strategy, that means that you're spending more time figuring out how you're going to grow your business. So offload some of those administrative tasks that you don't necessarily have to be involved in. And a lot of people think that they cannot outsource. I am the only one that can do this. A lot of creatives, for example, who design websites or graphics or something, think, okay, people are hiring me because I am so awesome in this. People are hiring you because you're so awesome in this doesn't mean that you can't train somebody else to do what you're doing. It doesn't mean that you can't be the quality control to make sure that they're doing it the way you want to do it, that they're following the steps that you've laid out, that they're watching, that you are transmitting to them, or the client is transmitting, and they are sending back information that the client wants because they understand it, or you have transmitted that to them. You see what I'm saying? You personally do not need to do every single thing in your business. A lot of times this is ego, and I've talked about this before. Business owners have ego. That's okay. That's what makes you be able to own your own business. That's what makes you confident enough to go out there. That's what makes you confident enough to get up the day after you've been knocked down. Having ego is okay to a point and for certain aspects of your life and your business. However, sometimes you need to take a step back and realize that ego is hurting you in certain parts, and this is one of them. You don't need to do everything. They are hiring you because it is your business, because they like your expertise. That doesn't mean you have to do every single part of it. They understand that you own the business. All right, so number 2, outsource or hire. And then the third one we've talked about before is systems and marketing automation. If you are going to outsource, you need to have systems in place. But even if you are not outsourcing, having your own systems in place helps you get through the work faster. It's like a product assembly line. Why do they do it that way? Because it makes it faster. If you build the entire product every single time, it takes a lot longer than if you do part A, part B, part C, C. You get the point. So trying to systematize what you are doing takes a lot less time. If you have different things that you need to get done every single time, make sure you document them, make sure you write them down, and make sure that they are all situated. So again, the 3 things that you want to make sure you do is number 1, partner with somebody. Number 2, outsource or hire. And number 3, have systems or marketing automation. Marketing automation can make your business go so much faster.